I bet you're like us and do a significant amount of research to understand all the best ways to beat the crowds and up your chances of experiencing Star Wars Rise of the Resistance during a visit to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Let's just say, on our visit, the galaxy's outer rim territories aligned and we were awarded a great opportunity.
All right, so somehow we just lucked out and we decided to come back around and determine, should we wait since the ride, the Rise of the Resistance, was out of circulation, and lo and behold, we come around the corner, they just opened it, and this is what it looks like. No line. I don't know if this is gonna hold up. So far we have no line to Rise of the Resistance, and Sarah and I very well might be getting very lucky here as we see all the neat scenic decor on the entryway, entering into the caverns. Sarah, did this really happen? Did we really just luck out on Rise of the Resistance? This is the vantage point so far.
Why do I sound like a stormtrooper of the First Order? Well, I thought as we entered deep into the ancient caverns found along the outskirts of Black Spire Outpost, it would be appropriate to come in undercover to meet up with the other Resistance fighters. But I'll set that aside for now.
All right, so we're coming through. Sarah, no way. This did not just happen.
Just a few pointers, and I'll let everyone out there take in the sights and sounds for yourself. If you've watched other amusement park ride videos I make, you know I'm all about discovering a ride's theme, visuals, and the storyline that leads up to the ride experience itself. And of course, it's a safe expectation to assume Disney will make this Star Wars adventure one well worth taking and done like none other. With plenty of Star Wars related accents and theming, 5 million lines of code, and the largest concrete pour needed in the history of Disney parks to stage the scene, there's more than plenty of incredible ocular fulfillment to absorb during your wait, the queue, and on the trackless dark riding system. If interested in watching a complete walkthrough, which includes the props and scenery involved while in line, as well as the entire ride from start to finish, well, keep watching this one. I've actually seamlessly incorporated footage from 2 separate times we were fortunate enough to ride Star Wars Rise of the Resistance during our visit. Once in the daytime and another during an evening thunderstorm, which allowed for some cool sci-fi looking shots of stormy planet Batuu during a few of the exterior scenes on the ride. I hope you enjoy this complete ride walkthrough, and more importantly, that you too can experience it during your visit to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Come on in.
May the Force be with you.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Melmanites shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now. Recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes. Check the hyperdrive also. Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nightlight. Black Leader, are you and your team ready? Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara. Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on 1 Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything? Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got? There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields. We got company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! True Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to cut him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get in front and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Will disembark and proceed to the right for interrogation.
Along center line.
This is amazing. We are literally in the scene of a Star Wars movie.
that you remember this color as they are not marked in the cell. You're going to feel as embarrassed if you don't. Blue, red, silver, orange. If you have any bags on your body, backpacks, fanny packs, crossbodies, anything along that nature, take them off and hold them in your hand. This is not a request. Have them in your hand, ready for inspection. We will be looking for resistance contraband that you may have with you. This will make your interrogation process go much smoother. Now, something that could make this whole thing go quicker is if you all just tell us the information we want to know, like where the base is. Do you know something? You don't. What about you? You mean to tell me you all get on some random transport and don't know anything about it? You just decide to get off.
Look down.
Without knowing anything about who you're joining or where you're going. This is why the resistance is losing the war. Blue and red into the cell, they are ready for you. Silver and orange. Follow in. And keep holding the walls. Whoever touches the walls will leave the walls. Stay away.
Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
To the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid? You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, then go to the printer.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? HIJACK down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
You never leave anyone behind.
Sir, this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, and hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. We have eyes on 2 pods descending.
Roger that, Bravo.
They're coming in hot over Sector 5.
We got first order patrols on the ridge, Bravo.
I see him. We're keeping to the tree line.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck, you're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.